G'day! Hello Kitty! Block figure! I guess this is what you would call an off-brand brick set. And this looks like an attempt at BrickHeadz. Though I don't understand why you need an adult to watch you build this. Just over 100 pieces. Nothing much on the box. That's the front. That's the side. That's the other side. Found this at Five Below for $5. Let's crack it open. That's a lot of air. 3 bags and instructions. This bag has the faceplate already built, but the instructions tell you how to build it. So I don't know if this is a reseal or if it's just like a mistake. Let's put it together. And that's the build. There's not much to it. It's a stocky little build. It's pretty simple, especially when the faceplate was already done for you in the bag. And it pops right off to this monstrosity of an 8-eyed monster. Cover that up. Guess you need to know stuff like this because it's blazoned on the tile. At least there were no stickers. It's a squat little thing. It's about 3.5 inches tall or 8 centimeters. And you only need 2 inches wide or 5 centimeters by 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters. Now I need to figure out if this sits on the shelf somewhere or I'll put it back in the box because I am not breaking this apart to put with the Lego bricks. See you next time on Zoo Family.